Okay guys, check out this 2016 Ford Expedition Platinum 4-wheel drive Ecoboost motor. It's 3.5 twin turbo. This is a rebuilt title, had some damage right here in the front. See all the paint matches. It's a 3-stage pearl paint. Beautiful color paint. It's got the power running boards. No DVD on this one, but it does have the bench seat for the extra person here. So this would be a 7-passenger. Actually, no, it'd be an 8-passenger because they got 3 seat belts there in the back. This does have the biggest third row in its class, so for big people, will fit in that rear row a little better than any other vehicle. I think that's why Expedition's been so popular. This has BFG all the way around. Power lift gate. Start it up here for you. So this has like 55,000 miles on it. Cruise control, power windows, you got power folding mirrors. It's got blind spot monitors on there. It's got the sink, USBs, heated and air conditioned seats, backup camera. There's your 4-wheel drive, your electronic brake, traction control, downhill descent. This does have a sunroof with it. It's got the platinum badging throughout. Here's your VIN number. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.